Blossoms 3 Workbook Unit 2 The Recipe Book Worksheet 2.7 2.8 Page number 29-30. Write plural forms of the words given below. One is done for you. Sweet, sweets. First one vegetable, vegetables. Second one stove, stoves. Third one friend, friends. Fourth one cook, cooks. Fifth one table, tables. Sixth one pot, pots. Seventh one hotel, hotels. Eighth one board, boards. Ninth one slate, slates. 10th one school, schools. Identify the singular forms and circle them from the following words. One is done for you. Book. Tree. Vegetable. Egg. Teacher. School. Write the singular forms to the following words given below. Book, bird, color, boy, girl. Stove, room, bag, slate, plug. Identify the personal pronouns in the given sentences and circle them. I am Sweta. I am a student of class 3. I. Second one, Praveen is my brother. He likes me very much. He. Kamala is my friend. She comes to school daily. She. Read the following sentences. Underline the personal pronouns and write them in the given space. I am Prasad. I am studying in primary school in our village. It has a beautiful garden. My class teacher is Kamala. She teaches English well. She has a son. He also studied in our school. Your personal pronouns are I, it, she, he.